Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing encryption because Drive doesn't natively password lock folders. Once signed into Google Drive, pause sync to avoid uploading unencrypted files by accident. Make an encrypted archive locally. On Windows, open 7-zip. On Mac OS, plan a terminal zip with AES 256 or use a GUI tool. Choose a strong password and a clear archive name. You're starting with security first, so uploaded content is already protected. This prevents accidental exposure while we proceed to packaging and upload. Now you'll create the encrypted archive step by step. Select the folder, right-click and choose 7-zip add to archive, set format to zip or 7Z and encryption to AES 256, then enter a long passphrase. On Mac OS, use a tool that supports AES 256 and set both password and encrypted file names so directory contents stay hidden. Once created, immediately decrypt it locally to verify the password works and the files open. This test ensures your backup upload won't become unusable later. Upload the encrypted archive to your Google Drive and confirm the file size or checksum matches your local copy. That verifies a complete transfer. Make sure sharing is set to restricted. Only grant access to specific Google accounts if you must share. After upload, securely delete unencrypted originals from the computer and empty the recycle bin. If you can't open the archive later, first verify you used the correct encryption type, AES 256, and that the passphrase was entered exactly. Mismatched formats or typos are the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.